Get up in here.
So your 1 6-ounce ladle. Very low fat, right, folks?
Yeah.
A little higher. 1 pinch of salt. That's all it needs. Where's my plate?
Coming, chef. Just cutting some parsley.
See the flame? Medium. Now the agitation. Those are those nice curds now. Pancakes almost ready. Now we want to sort the pancake out here. And we're done. Little heat.
You want the pancake? Johnny O, see what I'm saying?
Sexy, bro.
No color. Baby skin. Look at that little skin. When you cut that, the heat is finished cooking inside. It's homogeneous, no weeping, okay? You saw that little salt I put halfway through?
Yes, sir.
That's it, okay?
Here.
But now you gotta taste it.
Put your lips on that.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
I think you just leveled up.
You are so evil. You just don't play fair.
You let us play like that.